Ceylon Tea, best quality tea only from Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is a beautiful island country in South Asia, located in the Indian Ocean southwest of the Bay of Bengal and southeast of the Arabian Sea. Sri Lanka was famously described by Marco Polo as one of the finest islands in the world. It has a rich cultural heritage, and it has a history that dates back thousands of years. Although it's small, there is so much history, nature, and beauty to see in this country. Explore the beaches, jungles, tea plantations, temples, and much more from our list of the most beautiful spots in Sri Lanka. The actual production of tea, however, is a complex process with multiple steps to each phase. Journey to process of tea starts from harvesting. The majority of tea is still harvested by hand to keep the quality. Manual harvesting allows for discrimination and selection where priority is placed on the younger leaf shoots, as they are the highest in caffeine and antioxidants. Normally a labor can contribute approximately 21 kilo of tea leaves a day. The plucked tea leaves are transported to the factory. Then starts the process called withering, reduction of moisture. The goal of all tea undergoing withering is to reduce water content by 50 to 70%, allow for amino acid degradation, and the development of antioxidants. It takes around 16 hours. Then the bruising process. After the leaves are withered, crafting methods for different styles start to diverge. Tea leaves are usually undergo some sort of bruising process. This means the leaves are rolled, twisted, or otherwise crushed. The purpose of this step is to break down cell walls in the leaf and facilitate the next step: oxidation. Manually bruising a large batch of tea leaves was once the most demanding step in processing tea. Leaves must be thoroughly and evenly bruised to produce a consistent batch of tea. Next starts the oxidizing. After bruising, leaves intended for oolong or black teas are left to oxidize or turn brown. Again, the leaves are laid out and left to wither. Now that the cell walls have been broken, an enzymatic reaction turns the leaves brown, just like a cut apple. Next, sorting and grading. The dried tea leaves are sorted into particle sizes by sending them through sifters that sift them through different meshes. This helps to categorize the teas into the different grades: dust, PECO, BOP, and etc. Purpose of this grading is to sort the tea leaves into the desired grades. How it is done is by sending the tea leaves through different sifters and mesh sizes. To improve the quality of the tea, modern machines are used to remove colored particles in the bulk. Next step is tasting and assessing. Samples are sent to quality check department. The made tea is then tasted and assessed by the tea maker and expert tasters to ensure it meets all quality standards in terms of leaf appearance, aroma, cup color and character of the tea. Finally, packing and dispatching. Teas are very hygroscopic and rapidly absorb moisture. When sufficient quantities of teas are collected, they are either packed in plywood tea chests of multi-walled aluminum craft paper-lined pager sacks and dispatched to the auctions, or packed into tea packs of various forms for direct export distribution. Those are the main steps involved in tea manufacturing process. This is not simple like drinking a cup of tea, is it? If you have enjoyed watching the tea manufacturing process, please share this video with others to see how a golden cup of Ceylon tea is manufactured. In our next video, we are going to discuss the types of Ceylon tea. Stay with us.